Hey guys, this is Tanya from the I Can Do English Academy, and today we're going to talk about this very common phrasal verb, to take off, take off. So just like any other word, this word, depending on the context, can have a lot of different meanings. So you probably know the most common meanings of this phrasal verb. For example, you can take off your clothes, right? So which means to remove your clothes. Or if you are talking about an aircraft, you can say an airplane takes off, which means the airplane leaves the ground and starts flying. But today we're going to talk about two different meanings of this phrasal verb that might be new to you.
Sure you're wondering why I got a job here.
Not really.
Well, my jewelry business hasn't really taken off yet.
And the first meaning of the phrasal verb take off is suddenly become successful. Let's give you some more examples. My business has really taken off, which means my business suddenly has become successful, so it's going really well. And another example, after Tim had been featured in Forbes, his career really took off.
I'm actually kind of famous now.
And the second meaning of this phrasal verb, to take off, means to leave a place suddenly or unexpectedly. So this use of this phrasal verb is very common in American English, informal American English.
Steve had been stressed at work, so the police think he simply took off, ran away from his life.
And let's give you some more examples. When Ashley saw me coming, she took off in the other direction.
I'm gone.
Sorry, I need to take off. I'll be late for dinner. That's the lesson for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to practice and make your own sentences using this word and write them in the comments below. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.